Hola! Welcome to Learn Spanish with Mr. Briggs. My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say, May I ask you a question in Spanish? But before watching the video, I would like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button and the bell and you'll get access to more than 350 free Spanish lessons. And if you want to show your support for my channel, you can click the thanks button and you can make a contribution of $2 or more. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you'll make it possible for me to continue producing free Spanish lessons for you. Muy bien, let's begin. May I ask you a question? ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta? Puedo means may I, hacerte, ask you, una pregunta. Pregunta means question in Spanish. ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta? ¿Puedo? May I? Puedo. Puedo. May I? Puedo. Repeat. Puedo. Puedo. Let's see a few examples. ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta? May I ask you a question? ¿Puedo hacerte, the H is silent, una pregunta, a question? Let's see a few additional examples. ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta sobre esto, about this? ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta sobre esto? May I ask you a question about this? You can also ask, ¿puedo hacerte una pregunta en privado? May I ask you a question privately? ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta en privado? Siguiente ejemplo, next example. Si no te importa, ¿puedo hacerte una pregunta? If you don't mind, may I ask you a question? Si no te importa means if you don't mind. Si no te importa, ¿puedo hacerte una pregunta? Okay, amigos, sorry, I was laughing about that eye flying there. I actually prefer the balloon. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the red button and subscribe. As I said to you, I upload videos every week. You got more than 350 free lessons for you. Once again, thank you very much. I hope to see you very soon. I got more surprises coming, so don't forget to click the red button. Have a lovely week. Adios!